he is working as a director of physical education and sports in H.R. Patil Arts Mohila College, Sripur, Maharashtra. Vinay Pawar has worked as a professional football coach for Pune FC. He has published number of papers in different national and international journals. He is recognized PG guide in Kavitri Bahina Bhai Chaudhuri, North Maharashtra, Jalgaon University. Sir, now sir, you present your slide.
Okay, Shantanu, can you see the slide?
Yes, you can present your slide.
I have presented my slide. Can you see the slide?
No.
No?
Sir, just wait. Sir, just wait. Wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. No problem.
Just wait.
Yeah, if you see the slide, just tell me.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
The slide came.
Not showing, sir. Can you start again, sir?
Just wait.
Yes, it is coming.
Yeah, now
Yes.
coming.
It is visible.
Okay.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay. Should I make it a slideshow or should it continue like this? So I think there's some technical issue in slideshow.
Yes. You
So
just continue like this only. No
Yeah, I will.
problem. No problem.
Okay.
No issue.
Okay, good afternoon and thank you, Dr. Shantanu Haldar, for giving such a wonderful introduction. First of all, I would like to thank the Department of Physical Education and the IQAC Committee of Tarakeshwar Degree College, Hooghly. I would extend my thanks to the principal of the college, Dr. Amal Kantahati, program coordinator, Dr. Arundhati Mollik, and the program convener, Dr. Shantanu Haldar, for inviting me to express my views in this one-day national level webinar on the topic after effect of COVID-19 pandemic and crisis of physical and mental health. This is a topic which is a demand of current scenario, I think. Dear friends, from last more than 5 months, we are facing the problem of COVID-19. We are suffering in terms of physical, mental, social, and sometimes economical also. And we all are hoping that things to be turned down normal as soon as possible. But frankly, we all know that these all are going to be happen in a single day. Can you hear me, Shantanu? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
As we all know that these are not going to be fine within a night. It will going to take a time. Maybe it will going to take a time of more than a month, or maybe it's going to take a time of more than a year, or sometime maybe it's going to be more longer than this, what we expected right now. So in this pandemic COVID-19 situation, what we can do during or maybe after when the things are going to be normal, what things we should follow to overcome all this effect of this pandemic 19. So I would like to begin my presentation with a short story. This is a story which one of my senior faculty, Dr. Arun F. Shinde from Pune, he told me the story, and I liked this story so much that I want to repeat this story once again in this webinar. And I say that this is the moral of the story is the conclusion of my presentation. So the story is like this. There is a young man, and he was traveling from one town to another in his car. In the middle of the journey, on a bridge, he found that one of the tire of his car become flat, puncture, what we call in Indian language puncture. So he come out from the car, then he take out the punctured tire, then he take out the extra tire. He took all the nuts and screw of the punctured tire and he kept all the nuts on the side of a bridge. And before he replaced the punctured tire with the new tire, a heavy truck passed from the bridge. And because of that heavy truck, all the nuts and screw, they went down in the water, in the river. The young man became very surprised and very shocked. What happened? All the nuts are went into the water. Now what he will do? There is no garage, there is no one to help, and the man is in between the middle of his journey. So he was very much disappointed and he sat at the corner of the bridge. After some time, a man, he finds that a man is coming toward him. From the appearance of that man, he looked very poor, very uneducated. The poor man, when he came near to that young man, and he asked with the curiosity, "Hey, what happened? Why are you so worried?" First of all, the young man, he denied. He don't want to answer that much, that poor man. The poor man again repeated the same question. "Hey, what happened? Why are you so worried? Why you sit like this?" In the last, the young man, he told whole story of what happened to him. Then the poor guy, he looked here and there. Then he take a round of the car and he observed each and every tire. And then again he came back to the young man, and he told, "Hey, why don't you do one thing? You just take out one nut from each 3 tire and put the 3 nuts in your 4th tire. This way you can slowly move your car to the garage." The young man became very shocked. "Hey, what happened? How you can find out this solution? You look very poor, you look uneducated. How you can think like this?" Then the poor man answered very politely. And what he answered? He answered, "You are looking for the problem. You are looking for the problem and I was looking for the solution." Dear friends, this is the moral of the story. If you look at the problem, you will find only problem. But if you look for the solution, definitely you will get the solution. This is a moral of the story. Don't look for the problem, look for the solution. So I would like to go for my presentation with this story. Now I will go further. If I ask you the question, like how you start your day in the morning, how we start a day in the morning. Let me guess, because it's not a $1 million questionnaire. We have the same routine. What we do in the morning, we just open the mobile, we just goes on WhatsApp, Facebook, we go for news feeding. But when we open everything like this, like social media, what we find a common thing, you will find all same common thing in all the news channels, in the social media, in WhatsApp. What? There are so many people are suffering with the COVID. The rate of recovery is very poor in India. So many people are dying with the COVID-19. No chance of recovery. This type of news you will find everywhere. And if this type of news will come, what type of effect you are expecting? You will find only negativeness. You will find only negativeness, disappointment. You will find that the world is going to end like this. This type of effect you will find everywhere. And we have to avoid this type of thing from our life. Don't go on social media. Don't surround with the people, those who are having negative thinking only. If you do that, if you start your morning like this, then definitely it is going to help you. Okay, let me go for the next slide. I have gone through some of the research paper which I published during this 4 months, during the period of pandemic COVID-19. And most of the research paper, I have cited some of the research paper here, what you will find that most of the people all over the world, they are dying. They are dying not because of COVID-19, but they are dying because of the fear only. Only fear. The fear are become so hyped nowadays. International market is taking the advantage of this fear. This is totally a business propaganda that creating a fear and selling the product. Because of this fear of COVID-19, people are dying. And every day, the news channels, the media, everywhere you find, they are creating a fear. And because of this fear, they are making their own business. Research has shown this, that less people are dying with the COVID-19, and because of fear, the people are dying most in the everywhere. I will take the live example of two cases. These two cases I heard in a webinar taken by Dr. Kavita Madam. So he gave this example, not example, this is a live headline of two newspapers. One case happened in New Delhi. There is a young boy in New Delhi in a college, and he has some symptoms, not COVID-19, some symptoms he has some symptoms. So the doctor team came to the young man and he take out the sample. Now you will know that the sample take 3-4 days to come the result, to show the result. So the young man becomes so depressed, and he himself feel that now I am having the COVID-19, I am the corona patient. And what he did, he jumped from the hospital building. And when the report came after 3 days, he found negative. And look at the fear. Second example happened in Kerala. There is an old man in Kerala. He has some symptoms of little bit cold and fever. So what he tried to avoid his family members, avoid his relatives. Whenever the family members comes near to him, to convey him that no, you don't have COVID-19, you don't have corona, you are just simple cold. What he started throwing stone. Look at the result of the fear. And this is happening every day, everywhere. You can take the example of your personal experience. If someone just cough, someone has just go on coughing, what you feel? You expect that he is the patient of COVID-19. We forget about simple fear. We forget about simple fever, cold, cough. If someone has suffered with this simple fever or a cold, what we expect that he is a patient of COVID-19, and we should make a distance from him. This is our fear, and we all are personally experienced this. Now, let me take for my next slide. Is COVID-19 is dangerous for us? Is COVID-19 really serious for us? Let me explain this with a simple example. All the medical issues or medical problems, simple. I have mentioned some medical issues I have mentioned in my slide, like cancer, cold, AIDS, TB, fever, even hepatitis B, jaundice. They are serious medical issue. But when there was no medicine, when there was no treatment available for these medical issues, unless there is no medical treatment, there is no treatment, it is a serious medical issue. But when the medical treatment comes, or whenever the vaccines come, it's become normal for me, right? Same for COVID-19. COVID-19 is little bit serious because we don't have medicine right now. We don't have any treatment right now. So we have to take the precaution, unless and until. But when the vaccine will arrive in the market, it become normal like common fever, common cold, common cough. Very simple. Whenever the vaccine will come now, you will see it become normal like a simple fever like. Yes. So until and unless the vaccine will not arrive in the market, what we can do? We can take the precaution. This is the only in our hand by which we can take the precaution for COVID-19. And already the WHO, already the Arogya Mantralaya has given some precaution list that you have to follow because there is no treatment for COVID-19. So just take a precaution, and precaution is the best. But do you think we are taking the precaution? If you go in the market, if you go in a crowded places, you will find still people in India are taking this corona or COVID-19 very lightly. And because of this, the numbers of cases are increasing every day. Number of cases increasing every day because we are not taking it seriously. Still, the 4 months have been passed and we are still not taking it as serious as we have to take it. We're expecting that a miracle is going to happen and everything goes to be fine. But no, those developed countries who have taken the precaution, they are now have a very good rate of recovery. But we don't have the rate of recovery because we are not taking the precaution. And precaution is very simple. You will find on the news channel, you will find everywhere. It's very simple. Wear the mask. Whenever you go out, wear the mask. Use sanitizer regularly, keep the distance, and avoid the crowded places. 4 or 5 simple precautions steps, but we are not taking this very much seriously. And that's why the rate of COVID-19 is more in India. Now, what we can do as the webinar topic is reflected, the crisis on physical and mental. And why what I expect personally, if you are mentally fit, if you are mentally strong, then definitely it's going to help you physically. So before you go for any physical activity, before you go for any physical exercise, first of all, make you mentally fit, make you mentally strong. And how you can make a mentally strong? Avoid negative thoughts. Avoid anything which is bringing negativity in your life. What you can do? Be normal, behave normal. Don't behave like you are in fear. Or you are surrounded with the zombies. You are not surrounded with the zombies, corona people. You are surrounded with the normal people. They are suffering, but they will recover. So be normal, behave normal, make yourself busy in your normal life. Whatever the normal life you are doing before the corona arrived, start doing same thing. Don't go for TV channel, don't go for news feed. Just busy yourself in your daily life. Make yourself busy. So this will help you to come out from this pandemic situation. Read good books. If you have collection of good books, go for reading the books. Watch motivational movies. Why I'm saying all these things? Because the negative impact, if you come in the negative circle, it will going to disturb your whole day. It will going to disturb your whole life. And if you are going to have a negative impact on your mental ability or your mental thinking, then definitely you are going to affect your if healthier lifestyle. It have a negative effect on your life also. So once you become positive, once you become mentally strong, definitely it is going to help you in a healthy lifestyle. So avoid negative thing. What I want to say. Okay, one thing as in research paper I have observed, and even WHO has told that those people who are recovering from the COVID-19 or those who are having a very good immune system, now what we need to make a balance. If you want to recover from the COVID-19 or if you want to resist the COVID-19, what you have to do, you have to make a balance. So what balance you can make? You can make a balance of diet and immune system. This balance is required in our life. And for this, you can go for whatever activity you want. You can go for yoga, you can go for cycling, you can go for walking, you can go for playing game. Do anything. But if you have the balance in between these two main factors, immune system and diet, then definitely you have a very powerful resistance in your body, and definitely you will not going to suffer with the COVID-19. And if in case if you get COVID-19, you will recover very soon, because those who are recovered from the COVID-19, they have shown that they have very good immune system. Now, how we can develop the immune system? How we can develop? Now, there's so many activities we can perform. We can go for yoga, we can go for cycling, walking, as I told before. But immune system is not something which can develop within month. It will take a time. Now, I will give a personal example. Yet, after this COVID-19, I have seen that people become very conscious about their health. And now they started doing jogging, morning walking, or even they are starting doing yoga because of this COVID-19 factor. But do we think within month or within two you will develop your immune system? No, it will take a time. Mean you have to make a physical activity or exercise is a part of your life. If you make it a part of your life, and if you continue this as a habit for a long period, maybe a year or maybe till the death, that definitely you will develop your immune system. Don't break the chain. Mean don't stop the exercise. Now make it a habit, a regular habit. And once you make this exercise a regular habit, then definitely you are going to develop a good immune system. So thus, just because of COVID-19 we are doing exercise, then it's a totally a foolish thing. Make it a regular part of your life. So if something like happen, something like this COVID-19 happen in future, or if some virus or some medical issue will come in near future, if you have a good immune system, then definitely you will resist this. But from right now, engage yourself in some physical activity. Do whatever you want. I'm not going to suggest anything, but do whatever you want. But make it regular part of your life. And then second one is a good habit of your diet. Make eat something which going to help you from inside. Don't just fill your stomach. Eat which help you to improve your immune system, which help you to improve your resistant power. I'm not going to give any list of what to eat, what not to eat. You all are the mature people, you know everything. But whatever you eat, it should have a positive effect on your body and your mind. The two things which I want to emphasize here, that do exercise, and second one, go for a good diet. And then if you are the balance on these two, then definitely you have or having a very good immune system, and then definitely you will recover from any type of disease. I'm not particular going to say about the COVID-19, but definitely it's going to help you in all the aspects. So do two things you should do regularly. First, exercise, and second one, a very good diet. So this is just my presentation, and in the last, I would just like to conclude that every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning. So take a deep breath, smile, and start again. Don't look at the back. Don't look what happened in the past, because this is a new start. And if you start in a positive way, then definitely it's going to affect your tomorrow. So think of the today, and definitely we have a positive effect on tomorrow. Thank you very much once again, the Department of Physical Education and the IQHE committee for inviting me on this webinar. I hope my presentation will definitely help to you to boost up your mental positiveness. Thank you very much once again. Thank you, Shantanu. Okay, if any question you can ask.
Sir, now open for question answer discussion, sir. Any questions? Sir, Binay sir.
Yes, Shantanu, I can hear you.
One question I have.
Yeah.
After how many days of regular exercise our immune system will develop? This is one question from Pradipta Gri.
Okay. Very good question asked by this person. Well, this is not something like that which happen in a night. If you do regular exercise, definitely you will get a result, but it will take at least 3 to 6 months to have a long time effect. And the research has already revealed that at least 6 months needed to bring some physiological change in your body. Little bit changes, not a very drastic change. A little bit changes will come if you do any type of activity for more than 6 months continuously. So if you want to boost